On today's menu, a recipe that will refresh and energize you. Iced black tea that's lightly sweetened. Being born and raised in Houston, Texas, I've been making this strong iced tea for over 30 years. Maybe longer. I just can't remember when I started making it. First, you need a pitcher that'll hold at least 8 cups of water. Put 2 family-sized Lipton tea bags in the pitcher, or 6 standard-sized tea bags if that's what you have. Then pour 4 cups of boiling, filtered water into the pitcher. Dunk the tea bags a few times and then let them sit out on the counter for 20 minutes to steep. After you've let it steep, pull the tea bags out and squeeze them gently. Now stir in 3 tablespoons of cane sugar until it's dissolved. Add more if you want it sweeter and just leave it out for unsweetened tea. Now stir in 4 cups of filtered water. Your last step is to fill cups to the brim with ice and pour that refreshing tea on top. Check out the description below for the full recipe and where to print out a PDF. Have a great day, y'all.